Hey guys, Brandon with Windy City Steam. Out here working late night. Got a emergency flood cleanup to do. Colleague came in late night. Wow, a lot of water here. A lot of water. So what had happened? Water came in over this windowsill from the window well outside. Overfilled and just started coming down the wall. That was scary when I first saw it, until I looked up on the windowsill and saw all the dirty water up here. So at least I know that's not mold. We can save the carpet. So our process now is just to connect the pad extractor, extract what we can out of the pad, sanitize it. I like to run the wand over the top then and get what I can out of the actual carpet fibers. Overall, should be pretty good. Another carpet saved by Windy City Steam. If your basement floods ever, give us a call. Alright guys, so we're all set. Extracted whatever water we could. As you can see, we're not got that out of there. Areas that are too bad. Extracted whatever water we could, sanitized, and then now we just gotta get some water moving, or some air moving on top of it, and dry whatever excess water couldn't actually get extracted. I mean, keep in mind this, your pad acts like a sponge, so sometimes all we can do is all we can do, but another carpet saved. A lot of people got a lot of things, negative things to say about the city of Chicago. There goes U.S. Cellular, or whatever it's called, guaranteed rate. Now, yeah, no, a lot of people talk about Chicago and all the negativity. We got one of the prettiest damn skylines ever. Look at that. I love coming out here at night. Pete, thanks for keeping us in mind always. You know, next time you need our service.